Hi everyone, my name is Desiree. I just finished up my first field placement over the summer. So my most recent job title is Master Family Service Specialist. So I work for Family Services in Delaware, which is like Child Protective. So I was able to do a field placement study at work, just doing different job function, and now I still work there. So what I hope to get out of this course is just a more, or like a better understanding, I guess, of different grief and loss examples through different ages, because I know I'm 26 and I've been through a lot of loss already. So I have personal experience, but I'm not always sure how to handle that or how to tell others to handle it because it's a touchy subject. So I think with that, studying grief and loss will help in all aspects of this career field. I mean, everybody has to go through grief and loss at some point, and right now I work with kids. Eventually I would like to work with veterans, and that's definitely a field or like a group of people that know what loss is and grief is. And I also think it's important to note that grief and loss is not always death. It could be the loss of a relationship or a friendship, or even like a pet or something that dies. It doesn't always have to be like just someone, like a person that dies, for it to be grief or for you to go through that cycle of grief. So I think that's important, and I look forward to working with everyone this semester. Thanks, guys.